The Hamster daily Kombat daily Cipher for June 1st stroke the June 2nd of 2024. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, do well to like the video, subscribe to this channel and share with others. Without further ado, let's get started. And the first thing is you click on the daily Cipher. Our keyword for today is KYC. For K dash dot dash, and the Y is dash dot dash dash, and the C, which is the last, is dash dot dash dot. Let's read it, guys. The K is dash dot dash, the Y is dash dot dash dash, and the C is dash dot dash dot. And that is it, guys. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share with others. Thank you for watching.